Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how do we implement local storage and session storage. Local storage and session storage are part of the web storage API that allows you to store data in the browser. The main difference between them is their longevity. longevity. Local storage store data with no expiration time. Session storage store data for the duration of the page session until the browser tab is closed. Here, how you can implement both in JavaScript. The basic difference is what? Local storage store data with no expiration time, but session storage store data for the duration of the page session until the browser or tab is closed. So how you can implement both in JavaScript? Local storage. Set item. Store data in local storage. How we can store data? Set data with local storage. This is the syntax. Local storage dot set item key with value pair. Get item. Retrieve data from local storage. Let value local storage dot get item. Here the key. Third, how we can remove local storage dot remove that item. uh, Here we can add key. Clear all the data from local store dot clear. Session store. Set item. How we can set here? We can set it here like key value pair. Session storage dot set item. Same thing with says session storage dot get item. Remove same session storage dot remove item. Clear session store dot clear. This is the one example I written here. You can pause the video and one by one line go through. If you have doubt, then comment out. I can explain more. Okay. This is all about the local storage and session storage. I hope you understand better. In next video, we will talk about what are the JavaScript frameworks and libraries. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.